In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view trade history on Exness. This is an essential skill for anyone wanting to keep a close eye on their trading activities and performance. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable navigating through Exness to retrieve your trade history with ease. The first thing you need to do is log in to your Exness personal area. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, and ensure that you're on a secure connection for an extra layer of safety. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Exness dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but our focus today will be on finding our way to your trade history. Next, navigate your way to the Performance tab. In some versions, this might be labeled as Monitoring. This section is incredibly useful because it offers a comprehensive breakdown of your trading accounts. Everything you're looking for concerning order history will be available through this tab. It's designed to give you an all-encompassing view of your trading performance, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if it's your first time here. Now that you're in the Performance or Monitoring section, look for the History of Orders. This area is where all the action happens with regard to your past trades. Here, you're given the flexibility to select the specific trading account you're interested in reviewing. This feature particularly comes in handy if you're managing multiple accounts and need to zero in on one at a time. Once you've selected the trading account, it's time to specify the time frame you want to review. You'll notice options such as the last 30 days, the last quarter, and various others. Select the period that best suits your needs or curiosity. Whether you're conducting a brief weekly review or a more extensive quarterly performance analysis, this choice is pivotal in ensuring you get the relevant data you need. To refine your search even further, you'll want to decide between viewing closed orders, which refer to trades that have been completed, or open orders, which are trades that are still active. Depending on whether you're interested in assessing finalized trades or actively monitoring ongoing ones, choose accordingly from the drop-down menu provided. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly view and analyze your trade history on Exness. Regularly checking your trade history not only keeps you informed, but also allows you to make strategic decisions in your trading endeavors. We hope this guide has made the process clearer and easier for you. Keep practicing, and soon enough, accessing your trade history will become second nature. Happy trading!